Yo, what's up, guys? It's Sunday. 2 days after I prep and paint the B20v, and today we're going to put the cams in, put the timing belt, water pump, all of that. I got the homie Chris over here. He about to help me. So I already took the old cams out and in with the new. Here's the new cams. Stage 2 cams, slung 2. Yo, just 2 days ago was all good and warm. And yesterday it snowed. There's a big ass blizzard yesterday. But it feels good. It's like 50 degrees outside. We're gonna get this bitch done. So right now we're taking out the cam gear from the old cams. I'm gonna swap them. Thought, where's Tony when you need him? It's fucked up.
They call me Doug.
Put the water in that shit look good, man. So don't forget to buy assembly lube, because if not, then your cams might get worn out like the old ones were. You know, got the Honda bond for the seals. So we put Honda bond on the seals, and then we just lubing it up. Make sure you lube everything good. Make sure you lube the rocker arms, everything. Because when you start it up, it's gonna start dry, and that's how you wear out the cams. Homie Philip just came through. His 2JZ swap Toyota truck. But yeah.
You see this?
Right here now.
Do it on that one.
Why you fucking put this shit in there? This is the distributor one? Put this shit in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
The Honda bar on it.
That could be a monster. Where's the Honda bar?
Shit, hella snow out there, kids.
Hey, for sale. Dog, don't leave the cam like that, fool. I need to sell these bitches.
Are those the skunks?
Yeah, it's gonna. I mean, dude, they're not bad.
Those are skunk ones.
They're bunk ones.
Yeah, those are Chris.
No, he's going K.
He's going B20v tech.
H.
Or he's gonna put that in his B16. Yeah, kids.
Right there, though.
Torque monster.
Come on. Go ahead. What are you doing? It goes the other
Oh,
way.
fuck. Don't record that. Where's the cap at? Where's the Honda bond cap?
Then this shit is hella clear.
Like, true. Damn, fool.
What's the what? So what are you gonna do? Where are you gonna go, nigga? What more are you gonna get?
If I can get an H, I'll just go H.
Get the gates. Get the gates.
I could get a Euro Type R swap for 1,300. They sell the motor on HHA.
Where list my shit at?
So I put the tensioner, the water pump.
He only pulls out half of that shit.
I'm not gonna put the timing belt because I don't have a torque wrench and I still need torque the what's it called, rails, cam rails, or whatever.
Cam covers.
Cam covers. So I'm gonna do another day, and
It's time to go eat.
no, I have to put the pulley, and then I'm gonna put the cover, and then I'm done. Fuck, dog. Can't wait till I drive this.
Hey, baby.
I got the black one. I think didn't have the
You got
blue
a
one.
blue one, though. That shit tight cut.
It's a race car. Dude, this shit was 100.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, no. I'm in the budget,
Oh,
fool.
this doesn't fit, dog.
Fuck, dog. This is a B21.
Let's see, D15.
Yo, how's it going, guys? This is the next day, and I'm pretty much done with the B20. So yesterday, I didn't record because I wanted to get this thing done. So yesterday, the homie Chris let me borrow his torque wrench. I torqued the cam rails to spec. Did the timing belt, the water pump. We timed it and everything, so the belt is on. Right here. And yeah, I just need like a couple more parts to complete the B20V, and I'm done. And shout out to the homie Chris for helping me out, cause if I didn't know anything or if I had a question, I just hit him up, he come through, or he told me how to do it. So shout out to you, Chris. And yeah, so follow him on his Instagram. It's gonna be like somewhere right here. And again, thanks, dog. So my next part, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna have to take this GSR trans off of it, clean it up, paint it, and then slap it onto here. I ordered a clutch for this. It's in the XZD Stage 1. It should do the job. But I'm waiting on that part. So I haven't told you guys, but I am going to run ITBs on this B20V, and I'm just waiting for them to come in. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Stay tuned if you guys want to see more of the B20, more of the Integra. Maybe the next video is gonna be on the ITBs. I don't know, you're gonna have to wait and see. But you know, hit that like button, subscribe, and peace. See you in the next one.